Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm LifeHackery Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Robust and Scalable Systems. In traditional AI, there is one big brain, a massive server, that does all the thinking. If that server goes down, everything stops. Decentralized AI is like a team of many smaller brains working together. Instead of one giant computer, we use a network of devices to process information, making the system much harder to break. Imagine a giant library where everyone in the world has to stand in one line to ask a single librarian a question. That's a bottleneck. If the librarian gets sick, nobody gets answers. For developers, a centralized AI means high server costs, slower response times, and a single point of failure that can crash your entire app. Think of decentralized AI like a neighborhood book swap. Everyone has a few books and shares them locally. In the tech world, we call this distributed computing. As a developer, you aren't building one massive engine. You're building a network where every user's device contributes a little bit of thinking power to the whole system. One key part of this is edge computing. This means the AI lives on the edge of the network, like on your smartphone or a smart doorbell, rather than in a faraway data center. For developers, this is great because the app responds instantly since the data doesn't have to travel across the ocean and back. In a centralized system, you have to send your private data to the big brain to get an answer. With decentralized AI, the AI comes to your data. Your personal info stays on your device, and only the learnings are shared with the network. It's like a teacher grading your homework at your desk instead of taking your notebook home with them. To make a centralized AI stronger, you have to buy a bigger, more expensive server. To make a decentralized AI stronger, you just add more users. It's like Legos. The more pieces, devices, you add to the pile, the bigger and more complex the structures you can build, without ever needing one super brick. Instead of just learning how to call a single API, developers in this space learn how to manage peer-to-peer networks. You're essentially building a giant group chat where every participant is helping to process data. It requires a shift from, how do I talk to the server, to, how do I help these devices talk to each other? Single quote. By spreading the AI out, we create robust systems. Robust means that even if half the devices in the network fail, the AI keeps working. For developers, this means fewer 3 a.m. emergency calls about server crashes and a more democratic, private, and unstoppable way to build the next generation of apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.